Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. I am Sharda Jadhav in HM College Karad. My subject is statistics. First, I teaching you designs of experiment. Designs of experiment. In this chapter, I give you some basic concepts. You previous year learn mean, median, mode, variance. Now mean is also called as arithmetic mean, that is AM, means average. It is the most measures of central tendency. It gives the central value of your data. Designs of experiment. This topic is useful in research. Mean, that is arithmetic mean, that is average. How to calculate this? Basic definition is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Second point is variance. Mean, median, mode. These are called as central tendency. Now, median means middle observation, but all observations are arranged in ascending or descending order. Mode means item with maximum frequency. Mean, median, mode are called as measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency means all observations concentrate to these values. Single value give conclusion of your data. For example, average 50% students are passed means in your class half of the जेवढे परीक्षेला विद्यार्थी बसले त्यातली 50% पास झाले. Median gives data into two equal parts, half of the below it and half of the above it. Single value gives whole conclusion of your data. These are important. Now, from these, in a research, you know the variance. Variance means measures of dispersion. Variance means measures of dispersions. How to learn your observations from average value means variance. This is the most important. Mean, variance, these are most important things in designs of experiment. All these three values, measures of dispersion, measures of central tendency, are teaching in FY/SY classes. Now we can go to our points. Designs of experiment. Designs of experiment. What is mean by experiment? Experiment means any phenomena or operation under certain condition. Experiment means any phenomena or operation under certain conditions. And what is mean by design? These words are already you can learn. Design. Design means a plan of an experiment. A plan of an experiment. Designs of experiment is useful in industry, engineering, agricultural, in all fields. These points are useful. I tell you in Marathi. एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणजे एखाद्या व्यवहारात तुम्ही रोज एक्सपेरिमेंट करत असता. डिझाईन्स ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट मोस्टली यूजफुल इन ॲग्रिकल्चरल इंडस्ट्री. आपण रूरलमधले आहोत, थोडंसं रूरलमधले असल्यामुळे मी तुम्हाला रूरलचं एक्झाम्पल सांगते. शेतामध्ये जेव्हा आपण प्लॉट्स लावतो, यू कॅन यूज द फर्टिलायझर, तेव्हा तुम्ही एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करत असता. किंवा इन मेडिकल सायन्स you can treat patients. This is give medicine. This is your experiment. Design, planning, engineer असेल, industry असेल, civilization असेल, you can take some plan. तुम्ही प्लॅन करता युअर वर्किंग जे असेल त्याच्यासाठी तुम्ही प्लॅन करता आणि त्या प्लॅनला डिझाईन असं म्हणतात. In this designs of experiment we can learn some basic terms. First, experimental unit. Designs of experiment, we see first basic terms. Experimental unit, the smallest division of the experimental material to which we apply the treatments and on which we make observations on the variable under study is termed as experimental unit. For example, in field experiment, the plot of a land is the experimental unit. म्हणजे शेतामध्ये तुम्ही जे रोपं लावता किंवा जे प्लांटेशन करता, त्या प्लांटेशनच्या किंवा त्या प्लॉट्सला तुम्ही एक्सपेरिमेंटल युनिट म्हणता. नाऊ एखादं अदर एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. इन मेडिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट, पेशंट इन द हॉस्पिटल आर एक्सपेरिमेंटल युनिट. मेडिकल साईट्समध्ये पेशंट हा काय असतो, तर एक्सपेरिमेंटल युनिट असतो. तुम्ही त्या पेशंटला वेगवेगळ्या ट्रीटमेंट्स देत असता, जे पेशंट हा तुमचा एक्सपेरिमेंटल युनिट होतो. नाऊ सेकंड बेसिक टर्म, ट्रीटमेंट. ट्रीटमेंट, various objects of comparison in an experiment are known as treatments. रिवाइज करते. Various objects of comparison in an experiment are known as treatment. For example, in field experiment, different fertilizers, different varieties of a crop are the treatments. शेतामध्ये तुम्ही वेगवेगळे प्लांटेशन केलेलं असतं. कधी प्लांटेशनमध्ये सुद्धा वेगवेगळी व्हरायटी असते. दीज आर ऑल्सो ट्रीटमेंट्स. यू कॅन यूज द फर्टिलायझर. तुम्ही फर्टिलायझर वापरता, वेगवेगळी खतं वापरता, पेस्टिसाइड्स वापरता. दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज ट्रीटमेंट्स. इन मेडिकल रिसर्च, द डिफरंट मेडिसिन्स सर्व्स टू द पेशंट आर ट्रीटमेंट्स. पेशंटला तुम्ही वेगवेगळे मेडिसिन्स देता. These medicines are called as your treatments. Now, third basic term, block. Block. In agricultural experiment, most of the trials, we divide the whole experimental area field into relatively homogeneous subgroups or strata. These strata, which are more uniform amongst themselves than the field as they whole, are known as block. Block परत block means experimental unit means in field experiment, in medical field, plots, patients are called as experimental units. In treatment, we use the fertilizer, pesticides or medicine. These are called as treatments. In block means we can convert homogeneous subgroups or strata are called as blocks. Field experiment, for example, आता थोडंसं I telling you in मराठी की एकाच प्रकारचे वृक्ष म्हणजे जे बियाणं वापरतात ते एकाच प्रकारचं लावणं किंवा थोडेसे सबग्रुप्स सिमिलॅरिटीनं सबग्रुप्स करणं, होमोजिनिटी सिमिलॅरिटी आणणं, होमोजिनिटी ठेवणं, त्याला आपण ब्लॉक्स, त्या स्ट्राटांना यू कॉल्ड ॲज ब्लॉक्स. नाऊ लास्ट yield the measurement of the variable under study on different experimental unit are termed as yields. Experimental unit means plots or patient. Treatments means you give the medicine किंवा fertilizer and so. Blocks means you can convert these into homogeneous subgroups and these subgroups or strata are called as blocks. Yields means measurement of plots. Yields हा शब्द थोडा तुम्हाला वेगळा वाटतं, पण yields म्हणजे मोजमाप करायचं एक एकक आहे. Yields means measurement. Okay. Now next, experimental error. Now next point, experimental error. Error means there are some difficulties. Okay, even if the same treatment is used on all the plots, the yields would still vary plot to plot. This variation is due to random factors which are beyond the control of human hands, is known as experimental error. This error includes all types of variations such as variation due to inherent means natural variability from unit to unit, the variation due to the error caused by physical conductivity of the experiment. Experimental error means sometimes you can plot some seeds, but all seeds cannot grow equally. There are some difference, and this is called as experimental error. Now next point, layout of an experiment. Layout of an experiment. Layout of an experiment. The layout of an experiment is the plan of the allocation of different treatments to the experimental units according to the condition of the design. For different design, there are different layouts. Now, the systematic diagrams highlighting the allotment of various treatments to the various experimental units is known as layout of an experiment. Now we see designs of experiment. Design means a plan, experiment means Any phenomena or operation under certain conditions. Designs of experiment is useful in agricultural, chemical, engineering, all sectors. Most of research level, this is useful in agricultural side. In this designs of experiment, we first see basic terms, mean, variance, standard deviation. That is measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. Then basic terms, first experimental unit, treatment, block, yield, experimental error and layout of an experiment. These are called as basic terms. Now next point, size and shape of plot. Size and shape of plot. Block first, block second. That's it. We can take block arteries. Okay. Fertility gradient. No variability. No variability. These are your plots. This is your some field. समजा तुमचा एखादं शेत असेल तर साइज अँड शेप ऑफ द प्लॉट्स. We can use basic terms, treatments, yields, blocks and take shape of the plot. In this block there is no variability, that is we see homogeneity, but in block first and block second there are occurs in heterogeneity. This is called as size and shape of the plot. It depends on a number of factors such as total experimental area available, the number of treatments, the number of replication of each treatment and the crop and so on. If the total experimental area is fixed, then an increase in the size of the plot will result in decrease in the number of plots. In order to control the experimental error, it is desirable to divide the whole experimental area into different strata, such that within each block there is a much homogeneity as possible, but different blocks there is maximum variation. Further, each block is to be divided into as many plots as number of treatments. For maximum precision, the plot should be rectangular in shape. within their long size parallel to direction of fertility gradient. These are the Venn diagram of size and shape of the plot. Okay, thank you.